We're here at the Sisters building here at the Empathy Center, or to be called Valinor, and Corinna's been holding her workshop here. She's going to give a little bit of a tour. You want to show us what's been done here?
So me and the Maharani Academy, we have a vocational training for body workers and healers of all kinds and from all over the world visiting. And we have 10 special lady students here with us today. So the sisters' entrance is this way.
And we have the outside of the building here, and we're going to go into the entrance.
And for this occasion, we call it the Healing Center and Sanctuary for Embodied Empathy. Join us.
Oh, look at this.
This is a little area to come in for the students, to be welcoming.
A water, little fountain.
Yeah. And then we have a few self-care products like toothpaste and hair conditioner and some creams and things for students to purchase if they want. And then here is the long alley where...
Should we go into this room first,
sure.
maybe before
It's
you...
a little messy to be honest, but
okay.
This is a little storage room where we put things sort of in storage. And we have set up a little bit of a sauna there for students to take a little cedar steam while looking at the beautiful view out the window. You definitely got to catch that.
Yeah, so it just plugs into electric and it just heats up. That's amazing.
Yeah.
It smells wonderful. I can't...
Yeah, it's like cedar and frankincense. And then if you look down here, left and right are 6 bedrooms, and here is our treatment spa pop-up healing center.
Oh, wow.
We have currently 10 students working in here, and they're learning what we call Ayurvedic sacred bodywork. It's a system of healing where you learn how to activate these energetic centers on the body through massage and pressure. And today we're working with little bolus balls which are soaked in milk and saffron.
And what do you do with those?
So we massage them onto the bodies.
Oh,
and usually I demonstrate the treatments right here on this beautiful pedestal. And that is the Sisters' Chapel where the sisters used to sing and pray. And it's also a beautiful place to show something special like that.
Yeah, this building was previously the nuns, a group of nuns had lived here when it was a Catholic seminary, and you've turned into a little healing center.
Yeah, it's a little pop-up healing center. So you have the little garden out there. If you want, we can walk around a little more.
You did all the decorations here. Look at that, little candles in front of each room.
And by the way, the rooms are not occupied. I don't want to open it, but they're beautifully decorated, very comfortable.
How's it been for everyone? Have the rooms?
They're all super happy and comfy. So it's a little noisy, but come on down. These are the students doing students.
Hey, students.
Hello.
Hey.
Hi to you guys.
Just doing a tour, getting a tour of the space. Looks great here. Look at that. You've cooked the different meals here. It's all been working out.
Yeah, some special meals like this, for example.
Just amazing food.
Yes. Wonderful. And then we'll sometimes sit in here, or we go outside and we have this whole garden patio when it's not so warm.
Oh, yeah. So we got the chairs.
Yeah, it's been great at nighttime. The umbrellas light up, so it's been just great to sometimes sit out here and, the garden is very a cozy, nice contained space for everybody. So we all love it so much.
Feels very private with the wall here. And
then we see out in the canyons, which is amazing. And over here we have also utilized the outside space because obviously the nature around here is so unusual. You can't go anywhere without seeing the stunning views. And then right now, again, we were not really setting this up for a video, but here's a place where we mix herbs. So
Oh,
we
wow.
come out here and we sit here and we look at the view. Sometimes we, tell stories or do circles, but it's such a great opportunity to be a little bit more, with the herbs outside.
And what kind of herbs do you have there?
So these are particularly Ayurvedic herbs. So, but some are like fennel and cardamom, but most of them are from India. Yeah. And that's what I teach the students, how to sort of learn how to work with this practice and then also become a healer in the communities where they use, embodied empathy to bring about a better world, in all the little ways we can. So.
And how's the space been working for you? And
It was really like a dream experience because the environment and the rooms were amazing. And I feel for a group, like I had 10 people and then two more, two facilitators. We did yoga in the morning and there was such a potential to host this, to do this here was an amazing experience.
Yeah, I came in and I saw you had all the tables in the chapel area and people getting massages and doing your
Yeah.
body work there.
And sometimes I thought they wanted to go out in the evenings and I was prepared to drive them away. They're all like, no, they just wanted to stay really quiet on this beautiful mountaintop in Santa Barbara, the old St. Mary Nunnery. Really special parcel of earth. So thank you for that opportunity.
And thank you for helping. You helped with decorating and getting the furniture and all that. So
My
it was
pleasure.
a real teamwork to make this space happen. So thank you, Corinna.
Thank you.